It's another morning, I don't know what to do. I'm just lying in bed and I'm thinking about you. Girl, you treat me wrong, maybe I did too. I wish we're
at the vaccine location. Okay, time to go get it. Do I take down my purse now? Nah, let's go.
It's another morning, I don't know what to do. I'm just lying in bed and I'm thinking about you. Girl, you treat me wrong, maybe I did too. I wish we hold on and we'll pull it true.
I'm now waiting for my 15 minutes, but that shot hurt a lot more than the first time. The first time it didn't hurt. This one, it hurt. It wounded me, you guys. Once again, we came to the pupusa place. Bye. Meanwhile, we wait for my cousin and our friends to come get the vaccine so then we can go out to eat. So, this is just a little snack. Say hello to my vlog, mommy. We're still at the pupusa / gas station place, but a little fit check. Nothing cool, I guess. We've got the boot, the skirt, the shirt, the jean jackets, the bad accent, and the bandana. Can't forget the bandana. So that was a change of plans. We were gonna go to eat Golden Corral, but now I think we are going to Red Robin at the Mall of Georgia. So let's go. Arrived right there.
I don't wanna say no, but don't you go now. I'm running from better days.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. We are at H&M. I like this one. Y'all, it's hot. It's hot out here. We're about to leave the mall and finally drive back home.
She says I don't want to settle, I don't want to stay too long with or without you. I don't wanna go.
I am home. I'm in. Oh my goodness. What is wrong with my lamp? Stay. Okay. It is time for me to clean my room. It's a mess. I will not show the rest, but it is a mess. And I feel fine, I guess. My arm just kind of hurts a bit if I lift it, but I'm trying to have my room clean just in case. Just in case I do get sick. I don't want to be sick and in a very dirty room, so let's start cleaning. And then after, I guess I can do a little haul of what I bought today. I only bought 2 dresses. They're really cute. I hope they fit. I hate that dressing rooms are closed, but that is life. Let's get started. Look at this mess. Look at it. Horrible.
I don't wanna go.
H&M haul. I got this dress. I'm excited. I hope it fits. I hope it fits. It's satin. It's like snake print. Nice and flowy, and it has a side slit. Well, it has slits on both sides. Okay, and then TJ Maxx. I got waistline. And I found this dress. It's an extra large. Oh, the other one's a large. This one's an extra large. And I think it should fit me. I had another dress. It was a large, and then I was like looking at it and I was like, ooh, I don't think she gonna fit. But look at this. Look, it's so cute. It has the ruffles, and then at the bottom, more ruffles. So I took a shower and I was watching Bridgerton. I'm eating at the mall. It's literally about to be 11. Oops. I think I'm about to go wash the dishes while watching Bridgerton. Where are my glasses? Hello, my dear friends. Editing Kate here. So just a little update on like, I don't know, like vaccine aftermath. Oh, you guys like Netflix in my reflection? So cute. Yeah, update. I didn't get any symptoms. I was like perfectly fine. That's my update. I didn't get sick. I really thought I was gonna get sick, but I did not. So yeah. And like always, I forgot to film an outro, so here I am saying thank you guys for watching my video, and I'm gonna be doing my best to post once a week, sometimes even twice a week. So this week, this should be uploaded tomorrow, Wednesday, and I should have a new video up on Friday. I'm trying to get on my YouTube grind, you guys. I'm doing my best. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys.
1, 2, 3, let's go.